Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Youth, unstoppable, run away train.
Now here what bug me. A while ago I go so boom now. And I go at the food store to go get a couple of things. Then at the food store now, pull up na the parking lot. As soon as I pull up na the parking lot now and there, not even come out of my car yet. I see this brother here. I walk around the parking lot. See it? So I observe him. Him have two little youth behind him, a boy and a girl. I sit down in my car and I observe him. I see him go to one woman, then him go to one man, then him go to our next woman, then him go to one man. And I observe him. For the longest, I just sit down in my car and I observe him people. See it? Now, I see the man come and knock on my car glass. See it? So I roll down my car glass. Well, not even roll down, I crack my car glass. See it? And this is what annoy me and bug me now. And JY, as me say, as a father, you got to understand why this bugging, brother. Anybody who there as a father or even as a mother, I got to understand why this bugging. See it? The man come on my car glass and knock on my window. I crack my window and I say, yeah, brother, what you say? The man I go say to me, say, boy, Charlie, you know, say, may I beg you, please give me something for, help out my little youth them because all to them I send them go to school without lunch money because I nah nothing to give them. See? Now people want to tell me if me wrong for this when I said to him or if make my heart cool for what I said to him because the brother have a little boy, the little boy look at least about 8 years old I walk behind him and the little girl look at least like she about 5. Now this brother your people strong like me, him no look like him have no mental disability, him no look like him physically challenged, nothing no wrong with this brother here. But you walk around in the parking lot at the supermarket a beg people. See? A grown man, not mentally challenged, not physically challenged, him no look like him have no form of disability, but you walk around with your 2 youth them. See? And that are the disgusting part about it, Him a walk around with him 2 youth them in the parking lot at the supermarket. I walk a beg people. You walk up to a woman and I go beg a woman to give you things for send your people them go to school. You walk up to a next man like yourself and I go beg a next man to give you things for send your people them go to school. When you is a people, me say me sit down in my car and me observe the brother. Me say, yo, him should be ashamed of himself. You understand? Him should be ashamed of himself, me I tell you. You understand? Rachel, there is no hidden disability. Rachel, you see if, watch out, I'm going to show you something. You see if him did walk up to me when him come and knock on my car glass and said to me, say, when him did walk, if him did walk up to me and knock on my car glass and said to me, say, brother, you know, say me have 2 youth right here, so me nah, no money if you send them go to school. Please, make me wipe down your car for a couple $, or whatever you can give me. Would respect him more. Wouldn't even want him to make car. Would just dip in my pocket and say, brother, hey, hold this. See? You know what the man I do? This is why I say it is disturbing to me, Oh, we have to walk around with it, and the fact about it is, he might walk around with the 2 little baby them behind him to get sympathy. And that disgusts me. See? He might walk around with the 2 baby them behind him while he might beg people to use the picnic them to get sympathy. Another part them in a like. You understand? And even if him have a hidden disability like you say, him physically fit. You understand? Him could have go wash a car. Right? Him could have go wash a car. See? Him could have go work for a mechanic and be a mechanic helper. Him could have go do anything other than to dip on the supermarket parking lot and walk around and beg people. If him did walk up to me and say, brother, please, let me just wipe down your car for a couple $, would have just give him some money then because I would have respect him more. You understand what I say? But if you have your 2 people them walk behind you in the parking lot and beg people. See? But Lucy, down on his luck not have nothing to do with you. Listen me now, Lucy, understand what I say? Being down on your luck not have nothing to do with you being in the parking lot to beg people when you could have found another option other than to beg. Think about what I say. If una see me, big chopped in me, right? Look on it. Look on it. If una see me, big chopped in me, and nothing obviously no wrong with me, walk up to una and come beg you $1. See it? What would I say? I don't want a hypocrite right here, so. I want to be honest. If una see me looking the way I look right now, walk up to you and come say, "Well, go on, sister, please, may I beg you, give me $1 now, please." What una would have said to me? I don't want no hypocritical answer. I want to know give me una real reaction. You understand what I say? At the end of the day, what I say. But see, it's not a matter of judging, Simone. You see, I look on it the wrong way. It's not a matter of judging. It's a matter of principle. A man who is capable for earn him own bread, for go out there go earn him own bread. Why is it that me supposed to go work hard for my own, then a man that is fit and capable just like me? Me not tell you the worst part yet, you know. You don't think me tell you the worst part yet? You know what the man I do while him a walk around and beg? With him two pitney them behind him? See? You know what him a do? Him have a cup in him hand with rum, a sip pan. Now, you answer that for me. You answer that for me now. Him have a cup in him hand with rum and sip, and I walk up to me and beg me money, and I tell me say him nah no money to send him youth them go to school. Him said him pitney them go to school today without lunch money. Now somebody tell me that now. All I would have say something wrong with him and Ray. Somebody tell me that now. With a cup in him and a sip rum. Now somebody tell me that. Physically fit, don't appear if you have no mental illness, have two young pitney a walk behind him, a boy and a girl, but you walk up to woman, total strangers in the parking lot, and I beg them money. Exactly. How him buy rum? Thank you. How him buy rum? See? And that is the reason why I say, obviously, see? Him have the pitney them a walk behind him as a way of getting sympathy for people give him money. You understand what I say? As a way for people give him money. Now the next thing when me go point out is this. See? The next thing when me go point out with this. Why woman even lay down with man like them there as a matter of fact? See? How woman even lay down with man like them there, let alone for go breed for them? Is our next question. That's the next question, you know. See? How is it woman lay down with man like them there, let alone for go breed for them? That's the part where me I try to figure out too. Because it's wrong in every sense of the word. In every sense of the word, for a man have him two little pitney them a drag behind him. If I even feel him pitney them as a matter of fact. That's the next thing. If I even feel him pitney them. See? If I even feel him pitney them, that's the other thing. You understand? But how is it that a man for consider himself a man? Yo, me I go tell you something. And maybe me have too much pride. See? Maybe me just have too much pride. But me I go tell you something. And if I too much pride it is, then kill me. But watch ya. Me would have never, ever make my son or my daughter see me a walk and beg. You know why? You know why? Would I never make my son or my daughter see me a walk and beg? Because me as the father supposed to set an example. Yeah? Me as the father supposed to set an example. So me would have never met my son or my daughter see me as them father a walk and beg. You know what me would have do if me fall for hard times? You know what me would have do if me fall for hard times? And unable to find money to send my pitney them to school as in claim? See it? I would get up and the time when him take to go up on the supermarket parking lot and go beg people. I would go up on the supermarket parking lot, see it, and ask the same people them when I beg money to make me wipe down them car. I would find one little bucket, would get some water in the bucket, would find one piece of cloth, because it no matter all of who they are talk about, say it may be a fall upon hard times, or it may be have a mental disability, or him this or him that. Nothing is wrong with him getting a bucket of water and a piece of cloth and go ask man if he wipe down them car. Now who they also can defend that? Who they also can defend that? You understand what I say? Colette, how do... Colette, you defend this. Colette, please explain to me. Tell me, because I don't understand. With everything when I explain so far from my start that live here, how is it that you don't understand what I say, Colette? Please explain. How is it that you're saying I'm not being objective? Explain that for me, Colette. Please. May I give you the platform right now. As a matter of fact, more you join the live. Send a request and tell the people them along with myself, how is it that I'm not being objective? If you have a response, let me know. How do you defend a man who is supposed to be a father, the head of him household, and a lead him in children, two pitney upon roadside, figure beg? You tell me how you justify that, Colette. Tell me. Tell me. More you go right ahead and tell me. More you try put that in words and justify how a man who is supposed to be the head of him household lead him two young children pan roadside to go beg. More you try to put that in words to me, Colette. Go right ahead. You tell me say I'm not being objective. Go right ahead and tell me. Go right ahead and tell me. May I wait for you? Go right ahead and tell me, Colette. You may wait for answer that question. You tell me say I'm on social media, so I should be objective. Tell me, how do you justify a man dragging two pitney behind him to get sympathy, a walk around on roadside and beg? How do you justify that? Colette, you working with many different people in the system, you still not answer me. How do you justify a man walking around with two small pitney behind him on roadside and a beg? Tell me, how do you put that in words and justify it for me? You working with small children now, answer the question when I ask you. Because from the start of the life, you defend this man here, who is a worthless man, who not have no pride, who not have no ambition, right? More you justify that for me. Me not try to justify it. You are the one where they are justify it and I say, obviously something wrong. More you justify it because you are the one where I say I'm not being objective. How do I be objective when I'm telling you exactly what the problem is there? Eh? Exactly, Kayan. Thank you. How can a father set example for him pitney that way there? How can a father set example for him pitney that way there? Eh? Simone, what if no one was there for him to watch his kids? Thank you. What if no one was there to watch his kids? Alright, watch ya. Why him couldn't pick up a bucket of water, Simone, and ask people to wipe down him car? Answer that for me. Alright, see, Lucy, big up yourself. Lucy said, would it be different if it was a woman begging? Lucy, I gotta tell you something. So, a couple years ago, probably about a year or two ago, there was this woman who physically healthy, nothing wrong with her. See? She got some boom now. Have a 5-gallon water jug. You understand what I say? And she go up on the highway. Every evening, she up on the highway. every morning she dip on the highway with a 5-gallon water jug, right? And you know what she dip on the highway with the 5-gallon water jug I do every morning? Every morning, 9 o'clock, like say it's a regular 9 to 5 she a go, right? She dip on the highway and she come out and she beg. And everybody, even myself, would have passed and see her and drop sitting in her jug. And what she write on the jug, right? Say she have some kind of disease where she a try to generate funds so she can get treatment, right? I'm going to tell you no so. You know how people get boss her? The news media trail her one day, right? And when the news media trail her one day, them hide and video her, right? The woman come out 9 o'clock in the morning. When we see it on the news, we was shocked. The woman come out 9 o'clock in the morning, right? She stand up on the highway from 9 o'clock until 5 o'clock every day. You see, after 5, you know what she do? She walk from the highway and go on the other lane, on the other road, park her Jeep, on 124-inch rims. So I say, Chris Jeep, jump in her Jeep and drive go her yard in a gated community. You understand what I say? When the news media go in the community and knock on her door and ask her why is it she do the things she do and what is her medical condition where she seek funds for. You know what the woman tell the people them say? She don't have no medical condition. She just get up and go out there go beg so that she can able to buy the Jeep where she buy, live in the big house where she live in the gated community and live a lavish life. You understand what I say? So at the end of the day, Colette, I try to understand if you have a level of reasoning and understanding. I not try to disrespect you. Don't think me I try to disrespect you. But I try to understand if you have a level of understanding. Why would I need to ask a grown man who looks physically healthy, physically fit, why he might walk around pan a parking lot with 2 pitney? I beg, why? Why would I need to do that? Why? That no make sense to me. See? Now, this woman now, who go there with her 5-gallon jug, go beg, see? And say she not have no physical, mental, no physical disability. She never have no sickness, but that right pan the jug pan piece of cardboard, say she has seek donations in order to pay off for mental illness. You understand what I say? But yet still, she dey out there beg. Now, obviously, Colette, you seem like you agree with a grown man who can get up and go work. See? Yo, me agree with even the brother them. Right? Me agree with even the brother them where they are Jamaica wipe car glass. More than a grown, healthy man with fit. Right? If you come walk up to me and chat about say him a beg me money for send him pitney to school because him send them to school hungry today because him never have no money to give them. But when you approach me with a cup of rum in your hand. Explain that for me. How does that work? Oh. How does that work? How does that work? Call me not answer you no more, because obviously you look for a debate. So me not answer you no more. Me don't explain the situation to you already. You understand? You look for a debate. I'm in the debate mode. You see me? The point of the matter is me hold what me hold. Me not give no grown man my money who can go wash a car. You understand? Forget money. Right? Who can go wash a car forget money. Who can go be a helper forget money. Yo, nothing not hard. No matter what kind of disability you have. It is not hard for you be a mechanic helper, for you be a carpenter's helper, for you just go to boom and just for the carpenter say to yourself, for the mechanic say pass me a wrench, pass me a screwdriver, and you just pick it up and nothing not hard in that. You understand what I say? Nothing not hard in that. See? So at the end of the day, me no business what Colette want to say or how Colette try to justify a grown man walking with two pitney behind him and a beggar next man, or a walk up to a hard-working woman and beggar next man for give him money for send him pitney them go to school. Meanwhile, him approach the people them where him a beg with a cup of rum in him hand. Exactly, and I probably not even feel him pitney them. You see me? I probably not even feel him pitney them. So me not understand how somebody justify that. Me not understand how somebody justify that. Exactly. What kind of fathers, what kind of example him said for the pitney them? What kind of example, if he's even for him pitney them, what kind of example him said for him pitney them? You see me? As me say, I would have never met my son or my daughter see me I walk and I beg. I would have never met my son. Yo, I would have do whatever me have to do to make sure say my youth them get taken care of. But it nah go be me have I drag them behind me and I go walk up to people and I beg. It nah go be that. You understand what I say? It would never be that. You understand? Before me go down to the level of walking up to another grown man like me and beg them with my pitney them beside me, me rather walk up to the man and say, boss, please, let me come cut your grass in your yard. See? Me rather do that. You understand? And where do you find money for buy rum? Where you find money for buy rum? Remember what I said today, you know? Him CM1 say. Him CM1 say. Him send him pitney them today. And today this happen, you know, people. I don't know where I'm last week, me I tell you about, you know. And today this happen. Him CM1 said to me, say. Today him send him pitney them go to school without lunch money. See? So him ask me if he please give him something so that him can have lunch money for them tomorrow. But you approach me with a cup of rum in your hand. See? Betty, that's alright. Thank you, Betty. You see, maybe if him did even say to me, say, alright, because at the supermarket, me then ask me, say, I pull up in the parking lot for going at the supermarket. You see, if him did even come to me and say, General, you know, say, boy, me have my two youth them, but me can't find nothing to give them feed. When you go in there, please, me I beg you buy a couple things to them and bring out for me. Would I even look into that and say, alright, I'm so forward. See what I say? Simon, you asked a little bit too late. But yeah, if him did say that to me, alright, I'm going to show you our next situation. For sure, you say, sometimes you can't take these people who approach you, know, and I beg, and feel sorry for them. I'm going to show you our next situation. So, I pull up in the gas station one day. See it? And when I pull up in the gas, now this is in the States, me there. Right? Me in Orlando, and I pull up in the gas station. When I pull up in the gas station, I see this youth in him car. See in Stacy Wagon. I see this youth in him car. So the youth in him car now, I pull up right behind him, you know, for go pump my gas, you know. I see him come out of him car. So when him come out of him car, he walk up to me and him say, man, bro, you know, I just run out of gas right here, and you know, I'm asking you for $5. Right? Listen me, you know. The man said to me, say, him run out of gas right pan the pump. Him only was able to make it pan the pump. Right? I want him to listen to me keenly, you know, and call it. More you listen to me good before you jump and try to justify this too, you know. See it? The man said, him only able to pull up on the pump, and as him reach on the pump, the car run out of gas. See, so him a beg me $5, right? So him can put some gas in him car so he can start up and drive home. Say, alright then, brother, no worries. I'm going to boom, I dip in my pocket and I give him $10. See? Dip in my pocket and I give him $10. So I give him the $10. You know what the man do? Man jump in him car and pull out of the gas station. Now, Colette, you try to tell me, say, nothing wrong in how him do this, so. More you tell me say nothing wrong in what him do this, so. Young you too, I don't know grown man me I talk about. Him look like him I did probably about 2023 somewhere there, so. See? Now you try and tell me, Khaled, because Khaled, they are trying to justify a grown man doing things like that. You tell me now. The brother said to me, say he was only able to pull up on the pump, and as him pull up on the pump, him can't cut off and can't start. Right? Can't start. And him say, he might beg me $5 so that he can put $5 in the tank, start it and drive, go home. Me dip in my pocket and me give him $10 and me say, brother, hold this. Man jump in him car and drive out of the gas station. Now you tell me, Alex, what I go on. You tell me now. If nothing never wrong with that. I me never feel no way about it, you know. You know why? Me never feel no way about it. Because this is the reason why me never feel no way about it. Me give him with a willing heart. You understand? Me give him with a willing heart. And the $10 never fears me. You see it? The $10 never fears me. You understand what I say? The $10 did not fears me. So that's why me never feel no way when me see him do it. But me look on it and me shake me head. Yeah, that's that I say, Jado. Them youth are cool. You understand? And then when I walk go in at the gas station, see? When I walk go in at the gas station, you know what the person in at the gas station said to me? Say, man, I see you get caught by another one. I say, what you mean? Man say, man, they do that all the time. You understand what I say? The man say, when I walk in at the gas station, the man say, man, I see you got caught by another one. I try to figure out what he mean by that. The man said that's something they do all the time, man. They pull up, like they come to get gas, and as soon as someone else pull in, they tell them, man, they can't run out of gas and they want a couple dollars, and you give them the money and then pull out. You understand what I say? So, me I say this for say, citizen man, big up. Me I say this for say, thank you, there is always a next time. Exactly. You see what I say? Khaled, please don't tell me say you try to justify what a brother they do with mental health problem. Please tell me say I know that you come with. Please tell me say I know that you come with, Khaled. You understand? Please tell me say I know that you come with. But as me say, me personally, right? Me personally, thank you. Mental health issues do not give people the right to be freeloaders. Agree with you, Kayan. Big up yourself. You understand? Me don't know which rock Khaled under at all. Me don't know which rock Khaled under, but Khaled try to justify a man who is physically healthy. And as me say, alright, me know a man right now, and me know him for years. Me know him for years. Me know that man here. Anytime you see him, I saw him and stay. Him two and them stay so. Him born so. You understand what I say? So him two and them stay. Me know him for years. Right? Him can't get no other job. You understand? But you know what kind of job him do? Him work at one car wash. And who can clean car like him? And from me know that youth me personally, never see him beg nobody nothing. But you know where him there every day? From Sunday to Sunday, him there the car wash a clean car, and nobody can clean car like him. With him two and them set so. You understand what I say? When him a clean the car, I saw him set a wipe, and him and them twist up. You understand what I say, people? So it just goes to show you, right? But Khaled, that's disabled. Thank you. If a disabled man can get up Sunday to Sunday and go in the hot sun and work, why is it that a man will walk around with no disability, right, can't do the same thing in order to feed them two pitney them? Why is it him have to resort to begging? Why? Why? Okay. So Khaled, you say nothing affects his mental capacity. What you know? So, let's just say this man who approached me and I beg something for sending pitney them go to school. Let's just say him have a mental disability, as you say, see? So, a mental disability where him have, give him enough knowledge for know say him figure beg though. Think about it. So the mental disability where he might have in him brain, right? Only can trigger him to say, go and beg somebody, is what you say? Is that what you are trying to say, Colette? The mental disability where him have in him brain can only trigger him to say, go beg. It can't trigger him to say, make him go do something else. Make him go see if him can go get one little helper job or something. Eh? It can't do that. Colette, you know what I'm talking to somebody else here, man. Colette. People, you see what Colette say? You see what Colette say? Somebody who have a mental disability knows no better than to beg, is what Colette basically saying. Somebody else, let me talk to somebody else here. Colette, God go with you. God go with Colette, yeah, man. Colette say a person who have mental disability, the mental disability gives him no other instructions but to go beg, is what Colette saying. So, yeah, me not pay attention to Colette no more, because Colette now make no sense. Colette literally now make no sense, so me not pay attention to Colette no more. Colette, God go with you, yeah, man. Big up yourself. Yo, so Colette a while ago said the man when me say go so have a disability, right? But the man who have the disability can't go work, and the man who have a mental issue should not work. It's basically what Colette said. Dr. Love, go and big up yourself. You see it? It's basically what Colette said. Yeah, man, low Colette bad, Colette good, man. Nah, black nobody, man. Colette good. Colette now be disrespectful, you know. Colette just I say, you know, where she I say. You see what I say? So Colette now no reason to get black, man. Colette good. You see it? Yo, but real talk, Colette, me no know still. Me no know. But God go with you. You see it? Now, man, Colette says she work with the mental disabled. I think of that Colette said earlier. I think Colette said she work with the mentally challenged, I think Colette said. Alright, me used to know a man and he has a mental disability. But that man work hard and yes, he get paid. Thank you. Blessings, just like that. Then me not know people with mental disability too. That's why me not follow up Colette. Me know people with mental disability right now. You understand? Who get up and go work every day. You understand? Me know people right now with mental disability who get up and go work every day and them don't resort to begging. You understand what I say? Them don't resort to begging, rush or go on. You see me? So that's why I not follow up Colette and the foolishness the Colette talk. Hello? You see me? Because everybody who there so supposed to know what Down syndrome is, right? Everybody who is here knows what Down syndrome is. And some people with Down syndrome in some cases can't even take care of themselves. You understand? So, if you don't know what Down syndrome is, and I know people right now with Down syndrome who has a profession and is working professionally and I make them money. Right? What is a little bit of mental issue like Colette talk about compared to Down syndrome? Eh? What is a little mental issue like Colette is trying to use to justify a grown man that appears, me I make sure I use the word appears so that Colette not jump on me again. A grown man that appears healthy and fit like myself, yeah. As me asked the question before, so the person will say if me I done part 2 tonight. Yes, part 2 is tonight at 9, so make sure I say you don't miss part 2, you see it? But yeah, to the person, I'm sorry, me asked this before, right? Pastor Paulette, blessings, welcome. I asked this before to some uno, so the one them were just a reach. If you see me as chopped in as me is, and as fit as me look right now, walk up to you, right? And I ask you, right? For your money, for your hard-earned money. When I look physically fit like me can go, they go lift 200 block today and make some money. Would you give me your hard-earned money when me approach you with a cup of rum in my hand and I come beg you your money? I want the one them will just a reach for answer that for me. The people them who just a reach answer that for me. As fit as I look, I approach you with a cup of rum in my hand and I beg you your money and I tell you, say, me send my pitney them go to school today without lunch money because I didn't have it to give them. Right? Would you look for me and give me your money? Somebody please tell me that. Khaled, I think you should remove the NT there, you know. Because I think you mean I would give them. Because Khaled, you defend the money all from the start of the life, so I don't think you mean I wouldn't. Alright, thank you to the people them who are answer logically. Thank you. Thank you. No man Kayan, me not think Khaled, I think Khaled make a mistake there, because Khaled I defend the people them all time. So I think Khaled make a mistake. You see, Kayan. But thanks to everybody who is understanding what I'm saying. What I'm saying is nothing is wrong with helping out a brother or a sister if them down. Nothing is wrong with that. See? Nothing is wrong with helping out a brother or a sister if them down, you know. That is not what I'm saying. But what I had a problem with when this brother approached me today was you're walking with two little pitney behind you. The boy no look no older than about 7 or 8 and the little girl no look no older than about 4 or 5. And you walk with two little baby behind you. See? And I approach females. That's the sad part too. You approach a woman where can get up and go work for fear and a beg her. You walk up to a next man and a beg a next man. But to add insult to injury, you approach people with your begging with a cup of rum in your hand. That is what pissed me off. And then as a man, you should have more pride in yourself, more respect for yourself, to not let your children see you doing that kind of thing. That's how we have a problem with. You understand? And even if, right? Alright, Khaled, I don't know if you know, but I don't really tolerate the name calling and disrespect still, so don't call nobody on the chat fools. Remember me said earlier you not be disrespectful, so that's why I not do no blocking, so nobody start with that, Khaled. See? Alright, now, listen. If maybe him get a little bit of sympathy from some of the people them when beg, right? Thank you, Rush. Yes. Just because of the children, I would have given it to him. Yes, the rum would have thrown me and I would have said something to him. Alright, watch out. This is what I was just about to say. You see, if maybe him would have get a little bit of sympathy. You see, if him never have the cup of rum in him and maybe people would have said, alright, it's a couple dollar. Maybe. But you know what? Show off everybody the rum when him have in him hand. Because as I say, remember when I just start the live, you know, I say, I sit down. See? No, Khaled, them a call your name and a talk to you, but nobody now call you fool or stupid or idiot. Khaled, me not argue with you, you know, Khaled. God know me not go argue with you. See it? Me read the comments and me see the people them address you. Me not see nobody call you fool or stupid. But listen, as me say when me start the live, right? Me pull up and me sit down and me pray him. See it? And me watch him walk up to a couple of people. And the people them where him go to, everybody say, no. See it? Everybody say them nah, no. You understand? And me there I'm observing. I'm observing before I come out of my car. And the man walk over to my car and come knock on my car glass. You see what I say? walk over to my car and come knock on my car glass. You understand? You understand? And then now, I go say to me, say, him never have no money for send him. Pick them at school today with lunch money, so him send them at school hungry. And him a beg me a couple $. With a cup of rum in him hand. You understand? Come on, go and big up yourself. I'm supposed to big you up for your touch on, you know. You see me? And that upset me. You understand? And that make me did feel a type of way. And I feel sorry for the pitney them as a matter of fact. And it make me wonder, as me say, how woman even lay down with them man, they let alone have pitney for them. Give them pitney. You understand? That is very disturbing. You know? That is truly disturbing. And no father, no real father should ever let his children see him that low. Fear have them behind him and walk and drag them behind him and beg. No real father should stoop to that level. You understand what I say? No real father. Before, so as me say, if me have to drag them behind me, as somebody say, what if him never have nobody for watch them? But before, so more rather drag them behind me and make them sit down on one corner, sit down on one little place, meanwhile me a clean one car and them wait for me. But at least them a go see them father bust some sweat and a work for every $1 when me a go use spend upon them. You understand what I say? Would I rather make my pitney them sit down and watch me, I bust some sweat and work hard and I earn the $1 when me I go use and spend upon them. Because you know why my teach a little boy than a little girl? Say it's okay if you go out there and go walk the road and beg. You understand what I say? That is what he might teach them. Say it is okay to not work for what you want. It is okay if you go out there and see somebody earning for them one and go out there and go beg them. It is okay if you just get up, go have pitney, drag them behind you and don't know how to take care of them, so you have to go out there, go leech upon other people and beg them to take care of your pitney. That is why I teach the little boy and the little girl. And they, listen, children live what them learn, children live what them see, children live what them hear. So if them see them father I walk and I beg, and that them possibly I go come up to the Father God, me I beg you, make the little boy say, me no want to grow up come be like my father, and him take him choose a different path. You see what me I say? Father God, me I beg you, fi make the little boy grow up fi say him don't want to be like him father and choose a different path. And when them beg and not get them start thief, thank you. You see what I say? Trisha, big up yourself. You know? That is what I talk about right there. So. Him not instill no real values in the little boy and the little girl by teaching them to walk and go beg. See? That is no real values right there, so him instilling in them. Which is why I said, no real man like myself, I have 2 kids. I have 2 kids, and whatever it takes outside of me walking and begging, if I should fall on hard times right now, right? Yeah, Royal. If I should fall on hard times right now and I am unable to generate funds, right? My pitney them still not go suffer. You know why? Because if me have to get up every day and walk the road and cut people grass in them yard and sweep up the front of them yard for $5, me rather sweep up the front of people yard for $5 so that my pitney them can find food to eat, so that them can go to school. And listen me, when it come to my pitney them, we do whatever it take to make sure so them alright. You understand? But I will never stoop to the level. I will never stoop to the level of bringing my pitney them behind me. I drag them behind me. I walk up and down on the road and beg people. I would never do that part. And some people may say about Unstoppable, that is whatever it takes though. No. You still have to instill values in your pitney them. And your son should look up to you as a father. So what kind of values you are instilling in your pitney? When your son who are going to carry on your legacy. What kind of legacy you are going to carry on? For walk and beg mood man blessings. See? What kind of legacy you are going to carry on? For walk and beg? The father supposed to instill certain values in the son. For make sure say, yo, you teach him the right path. See? So at the end of the day, there is nothing nobody can say to me right now where I go make me agree with a grown man. Alright, before me even go there, so this morning me I watch something on YouTube. And when me I watch it, me listen to it, and them I say the garbage collector is one of the most low down, under-respected jobs in the work field. Right? Chef Whistle, blessings. Alright, you see what I said? Just like that, Chef. You see it? Listen, I was watching this documentary this morning, and them I say the garbage collector is one of the most low down, under-respected jobs in the entire work field. And the garbage collector is not respected, you understand, because them normally smell stinky. Some of them, that is. Them always around garbage, them are this and them that, right? But it's a job, and it don't take somebody who have any intelligence up yourself if you become a garbage collector. Because all you're doing is picking up a drum and shaking out the garbage in the back of the drum and put back the drum in the cage. You understand what I say? At the end of the day, all it takes is for you to lift up a drum, shake it out, put back the drum. You understand? So it no matter whether you have a mental disability, it no matter whether you have a trade or not, you can try to get a garbage collector job. See it? You understand what I say? Thank you, Onika. It don't take no skill. Oh, One King, sorry. Oh, I must say Onika. It don't take no skills if you do that. I'm going to tell you something, people. The garbage collector job should not be underrated neither. It should not be underrated neither, because me respect the garbage collector, because me not going to tell you no lie. If I get pushed to the limit where I have to do it, I would do it, but it would not be my first choice as a job. Because me too scornful, me I going to tell you the God honest truth. You see me I say? So that is why me respect the garbage man. See it? That is why me respect the garbage man. It would not be my first job as a choice of fire job, you know. But if me get pushed to the level where me have to do it, then I would do it to make sure I me take care of my kids. See it? But me respect the man who can do it. See it? So, that brother there, where I walk with him, pitney them, right? And I beg people, him could have go seek a little garbage collector job and do it. See it? Him could have do that. Him could have do it. So, at the end of the day, there is no way to justify a man who is healthy and fit walking around begging people. That is my point. You understand? That is my point. Yes, Betty, it's an honest living. Thank you. You understand? That is my point. Nothing is wrong with being a helper. And I'm talking about a tradesman's helper, where all you do is pass some tools that not take no skills for you know if you do neither. You understand? That not take no skills for you know how to do. Trisha, I'm not that intelligent. I'm not that intelligent, yeah, Trisha. I have a mental disability. Let me stop before college start for me again, yeah. Oh God. Yeah, but listen, I applaud the man who can get up and go work for him own. You understand? I applaud the man that can get up and go work for him own. And I applaud the man that will go out there and bust a sweat for take care of him pitney them. You understand? I respect that man. But I will not respect a man who will drag him pitney them behind him and walk up to another grown man or a lady and beg her or beg him money. I will not apply. I will never respect a man who do that. You see, Stacey, I will never respect a man who do that. You know, because that is not a man. There is no way I could look at a man who does something like that and respect him. Right? People, when I go to work in the daytime, I mean bust my ass and sweat, right? Me bust my ass and sweat, right? For earn my honest money. And then a man, I go get up and walk up to me and say, beg you. Why should I give you? See? Why should I give you when me go bust my ass and burn sweat in the hot sun for earn for me and my family and take care of my pitney? Why should I pick up my hard-earned money and give you when you approach me with a cup of rum in your hand? Why should I give it to you? Why? You a sip of rum and me not a sip of none. But you live better than me, man. You're good. No, seriously, I like your life. You should speak on a lot of other nonsense that people are subjecting their kids to. Well, I mean, Simone, I cover a whole heap of things when I'm ready, you know, but I don't just come and chat, so, you know, more time, certain things have to cross my path, and then, you know, I'll talk about it. But other than that, yeah, things have to cross my path first, and then I'll address it, you know. Better him come to you and tell you he want to do a business. But see, Stacey, if him did come to me, you see, if him did approach me, Stacey, and said to me, say, brother, you know the worst part about it? You see the same supermarket where him did there, the same food store where him did there? Him could have go right in at the food store and ask them to make him pack bag in there. You understand what I say? Him could have go in at the same food store and ask them in there to allow him to pack bags. Jamaican beauty, blessings. See it? You see, if him did go in at the food store and ask them to allow him to pack bag in there, he would have still earned an honest. What want to say? It would have still been an honest dollar him earn, right? If him did do that, right? But instead him choose to walk around the parking lot and beg. And if him did in at the food store and pack bags, right? Him would have generated some good money. Because when the people them come and them do them shopping and thing and him pack them bag, him still could have get that. You understand? You know? So at the end of the day, why should I respect him? No. Yeah, man, Trisha, him now at work. You see me? And this, the thing about it, people me are going to tell you something. For all who in a certain states in the States, right? For all who live in certain states, you will know there are certain states that prone to beggars. It's like every walk you walk, you see another one there beg. Right? To certain people who live in the States, you will understand what I'm talking about. Every walk you walk, there's another person there begging. You understand? And I'm talking about things that I see. I'm not talking about things that I hear or things that I see. There was an experience for me of where I can remember me walk from one block to the next block to the next block, and every block when I walk, somebody I beg. You understand what I say? Every block when I walk, somebody I beg, and the worst part about this, I'm going to tell you something. So, I was in Manhattan, right? And you don't know, if you don't know Manhattan, very busy. And while I'm walking now, everybody, you see a bunch of people on the street side sit down. Some of them lay down there asleep, right? Homeless people, them say, right? And a lot of them just they there with them Burger King cup in them and a beg. You understand what I say? And I see them and them a shake and a beg for a couple of coins and all of these things, right? But one thing when I notice, I'm walking and I'm seeing these people sitting down on the ground with them Burger King cup in them and a shake and a beg for a kind, right? But you see, right which part them sit down and shake and a beg for a kind, there is a help wanted sign right on the window. Think about what I say, you know? Right which part them sit down with a Burger King cup in them and a shake and a beg for a kind. Behind them where them sit down, there is a help wanted sign right on the window. Now, call it justify that. You see me? No, being homeless doesn't mean you can't get a job. Being homeless does not mean you cannot get a job. You understand what I say? Being homeless does not mean you cannot get a job. Exactly, Nurse James. Why the cup them always empty or only have couple in the bottom? True. See it? So, if them sit down right in front of the business place seeking to get liquor kind drop in one cup, right? Why is it that them can't see the sign where they behind them where say help wanted? Yeah, me give them a kind, man, Tanny. Yeah, sometimes me give them a kind or maybe drop $1 or $5 in them cup. Yeah, me now can me understand them, you know, for them situation different. You understand them homeless and less fortunate and stuff.
Right now you and we unstoppable.